Hey adventurers, welcome back to BC Adventures. Today we're going to be exploring the Chemainus Barges. 4 sunken relics that have turned into an artificial reef and a pretty epic dive site. There's some cool history behind these wrecks, tons of marine life, and a little surprise in the form of a tight squeeze called the Crack of Doom. So let's gear up and head out. Getting to the site is a bit of a swim, about 20 minutes from the boat ramp. So if you're diving here, make sure you've got good air consumption and decent navigation skills. But trust me, it's worth the trek. And there it is, the first of 4 barges. These things actually started their lives as World War II floating dry docks, built to rescue damaged ships. Fast forward to the 1980s, they were supposed to be a part of a breakwater project for a marina. That didn't quite pan out, and in 2012, they finally sank right here, creating this incredible dive site. This place is a bit of a scrapyard. There are massive chains, concrete blocks, old pipes, and all kinds of hardware just lying around, slowly becoming a part of the reef. It's like Mother Nature decided to turn a construction zone into an underwater jungle. And check this out, a white line dirona. Normally, these guys are a soft white, but this one's looking a little rusty, probably stained from all the metal down here. And then you've got these giant orange and white plumose anemones covering everything. The wreck, the concrete blocks, even the rocky seabed. When the current picks up, they all start swaying, and it feels like you're floating through an alien landscape. Marine life loves this place. There are crabs everywhere. Alright, now for the fun part. This is the Crack of Doom. No idea who named it originally, but I heard about it from my dive buddy Phil Smith when he first showed me the site last fall. It's a narrow crevice between barges 3 and 4, and if you're comfortable squeezing through tight spaces, it's a wicked little swim through. Just take it slow and watch your buoyancy. It's not a place you want to stir up a silt storm. Every time I dive here, I find something new. The Chemainus Barges have that perfect mix of history, mystery, and marine life that makes for an unforgettable dive. Whether you're into wreck diving, marine biology, or just looking for a cool place to explore, this site's got something for everyone. Exploring the Chemainus Barges offers a captivating blend of history and marine biodiversity. It's a dive that promises both adventure and reflection. Thanks for joining us on this underwater journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more underwater adventures. And we'll see you next time on BC Adventures.